Hi guys, today we'll be making another gripper. I'm gonna show you how it works first, and then I'm gonna show you how I made it. So this model is somewhat simplified. Instead of making a fairly complex side balancing plate, I made a simple eccentric wheel that supports the side of the jig. And it works great, as you can see. And again, that's how it works on wider strips. It sort of has two sides. That's why I made that handle in the arch, so you can use it both ways. Anyways, we'll cut a square 24 by 24 centimeters, and then I'm gonna cut a couple of pieces for the handle. Also, we're gonna cut two strips for the central leg and glue it together. Now we're gonna bend two lateral legs, about 2 inches from each side. It's really easy to do it. I'm using my cheap Black & Decker heat gun that I bought for 25 bucks. Now we're gonna do the other side. Don't despair if you're slightly off, you can just reheat it and do it again. Now we're gonna cut the handle. I really liked the shape of that handle because it is very ergonomic and you can use it from both sides. Now we're gonna make a central leg. And also we're gonna attach a piece of wood, just like you can see, so that one leg is slightly thicker than the other. I'm gonna install the central leg slightly offset by approximately 3/4 of an inch, about 20 millimeters. These holes we're gonna need to install both the central leg and the handle. And as you can see, that's how the handle is attached. All of the 3 legs have to be perfectly in one plane, otherwise the pusher is not going to work properly. So I jointed mine. You can do it on the belt sander as well. And lastly, we're gonna apply some anti-skid material that I bought at Home Depot. Okay, so when you push wide boards, it works fine. But once you start pushing narrow boards, your pusher will be toppling, just like that, which is not that great. So what I've done on my previous model, just like on a regular gripper, I installed that balance plate, which is adjustable. It goes up and down about 2.5 inches. But it is a fairly complex thing to do, so I decided to make it simpler, to install that eccentric wheel. And it extends about 2 inches down. In fact, it works even better than that complex system because it's so much faster. You just adjust it, tighten it, and it works just fine. And then extend it a little bit more, tighten, and that's it. Well guys, thank you for watching. Be safe and happy woodworking.